How to wire transfer Bank of America. The first step is to log into the mobile banking app, making sure you have gathered the recipient's information, such as their name, address, routing number, bank account number, and account type. If you haven't already enrolled in the secure transfer, you'll also need your debit card number and PIN. Next, tap on Pay and Transfer at the bottom of the screen, which should be the second option. After that, click on Wire to proceed. If you have both banking and investing accounts, select the account from which you want to send the wire transfer. Then, tap on Start a Wire to initiate the transfer. If you are sending money to a recipient for the first time, you will need to add them by clicking on Add New Recipient. For existing recipients, simply select them and proceed to the next step. Afterward, choose the account from which you want to transfer money, enter the amount, and proceed by tapping Next. Review the total cost for the wire transfer, including the wire fee, and add any notes for the recipient's bank if desired. You may also need to enroll in Secure Transfer if you haven't already. This will require a U.S. phone number, after which you will receive an authorization code via text message. Enter the code, add your ATM/debit card details, and tap Add Number to complete the enrollment. Once confirmed, tap Continue to proceed with the transfer. Before finalizing the transfer, review all the details, making sure everything is correct. If needed, click the Edit button to modify any information. Once everything is in order, authorize the payment and tap Send. You will then receive confirmation that your wire transfer has been submitted. You can save and share the receipt or tap Done to exit the wire screen. You will also get an email confirmation. Domestic wire transfers are typically received the same business day if sent before 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The transfer will appear in your activity screen, where you can view its status and details. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.